Johnny Walker step, okay?
Hello, my name is Angel, and today I'll be your storyteller and captain aboard the Wendy. I do ask for safety to please remain seated, please support your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat at all times, and to please supervise all children.
Where are we going?
Now, our journey is leading to the jaws of Monster the World Famous, small Pinocchio. But don't worry, it's just transferring us to a magic land and a storybook land. Just outside our left is the center of the big bad wolf. We're always after three little pigs chance across the web. One in the house when it's straw, one in the house when it's six, and one in the house when a wolf proof tree. And just around the corner is the 20 village. We're out to chase the white rabbit down the rabbit hole into Wonderland. One thing's we became curiouser and curiouser.
It looked like a beep beep.
But this is his Agrabah City where Aladdin first met Jasmine and they fell in love. And they lived to go to the moon and Sultan's palace. We're now past the Golden Arches where Aladdin and Jasmine took their very first magic carpet ride together.
Well, by the time she gets into the ranch,
As we leave these Golden Arches, we head into the Cave of Wonders, where look at this treasure is there first. We're representing we got the three wishes value. As we pass through, with a wish and hope it comes true. Now, this is our top part of our story. This is Snow White Princess Baby, which came true when 7 North Martin Mansion, thanks for igniting. And just across the way is another example of proper wishes in the story of Cinderella. Where Cinderella wished to go on the ball, and that wish was granted by her fairy godmother.
really? The one that you paid $8 for wasn't good either. It was real sweet. Uh-huh. It just takes one, yeah. The ducks really like it. What? The ducks. Yeah, they have it. What?
now approaching the stately manor of Mr. Toad. Unfortunately, Mr. Toad is not here right now because he's currently off on a very exciting journey to nowhere in particular. And just beyond that is the kingdom of Arendelle with Elsa and her countryside, without the mountains to up the castle made of ice. And just across the way, you can hear the bells ringing in Geppetto's Village, where Geppetto crafted the wooden owl Pinocchio. Pinocchio wishes for something aboard that was distracted by the blue fairy and turned for his bravery. And the final story of our journey is the story of Little Mermaid, where Ariel gave up her life and refused to join us on land in search of love. Now, I'm just going to go to the energy and ask everyone please remain safe support. If they go to the dock, my doctor to watch his hands out of the so we have one captain up and we certainly need another one.